lived in the era of the Metchnikoff. Metchnikoff, a very famous scientist, 1908, he had a Nobel Prize in the medicine. And he said back then, more than 100 years ago, scientists thought there's only two different bacteria, good ones and bad ones. So good bacteria from the fermenting fluid, probiotics, you eat it and you support it. That was the science, but now MA is changing the paradigm. MA has studied the new era of the microbiome science. Now we are focusing about not only the good and bad, but 2,000 different bacteria in your body, keeping the balance, increasing the diversity, which means you will have more drug factories in your body. And this is the one secret of your gut health program. Every morning, you are switching on your factory. You switch on your factory, and whole day they will work for you. Whole day they start to produce drugs for you. And this is you think the gut health program seems to be very simple, but it's not simple. It contains more than 7 years of the microbiome story. I will talk to you about it a little bit more on the next slide. So now we have to recognize AME is going beyond the science. AME is going much faster than other companies. Other companies only talking about probiotics, Metchnikoff, etc. But now you are in the member of the new era. We are talking about the balance and the diversity of the microbiome. So I would say this microbiome, it contains huge business opportunity because you have two different genes. One is from your parents. Actually, you cannot change it. Even though you live very healthy life, whatever you do, you cannot change it. But you have another gene, we call microbiome, the gene that you make, the gene that you get it from your body. You can change it. And if we understand how to change it, how to control it, it's going to be the game changer of the healthcare. And let's talk about what is affecting, influencing our microbiome. Obviously, your gender, your age, sleeping patterns, society, what you eat. Let's say if you eat a lot of fast food, the fast food, it contains a lot of preservative inside. Do you know what preservative for? Preservative is to kill the bacteria in the food. And you are adding the preservative in your gut and you're killing all the bacteria in your gut. And I said the drugs, antibiotics, pollution, the air, the water, cosmetics, everything affects your microbiome. And now MA is focusing on this lifestyle, how you manage your microbiome health. But I have to say, the modern society is actually the enemy of the microbiome. So scientists, they did a very interesting study. They flew over to Amazon, the Brazil. They flew over to Brazil and they found the tribes which they never contacted the modern society. And they took the stool sample, their fecal samples of the Amazon people, and they analyzed it and they compared it with the Americans. And as you can see there, compared to the American people's microbial diversity, the Amazon people have way much more diversity. So this low level of the microbiome diversity is actually the key factor, initiating factor of all the obesity, chronic diseases, metabolic syndrome of the modern society. And if MA can control and increase the microbial diversity, that is going to be the game changer. So as you can see here, microbiome seems to be some bacteria only in our gut, but it's not. They are connected to our brain, liver, lung, muscles, and even immune function. They are in the center, but they are like a Tokyo Central Station covering all greater area of the Tokyo. Whatever you do here, that affects everywhere in your body. Let's see a few of the examples. What if you have a lower microbiome diversity? You have less kind of bacteria. You have smaller number of drug factory in your body. That this is the Professor Patrice Pani talking about the microbiome diversity. If you have low microbial diversity, you have more gut permeability. We call leaky gut. You have inflammation around your gut. And you are more prone to many different metabolic diseases such as diabetes, atherosclerosis, liver inflammation. You have prone to accumulate more fat in your body. Your muscle will be weakened.